everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Harumaki. Harumaki is spring rolls or egg rolls. When we say Harumaki, it usually refers to the one deep fried. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. These are what you need. Some cabbage, carrot, green pepper, shimeji mushroom, bean sprout, thinly sliced pork, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon potato starch, which you can replace with cornstarch, salt and pepper, some grated ginger, grated garlic, and you also need Harumaki wrapper. Today I'm using these vegetable and pork, but vegetable can be anything and meat can be anything too. Use whatever you have in your fridge. I'm cutting the vegetable first. So let's cut the core off from the cabbage. And I'm making thin strips. Then carrot. And I want to make thin strips. So this way first, diagonal into thin slices. Then this way. Green pepper, again thin strips, so let's cut it in half first and remove the seeds. Let's cut it this way. Shimeji mushroom, cut the bottom off. Then just break it into little pieces with your hands. Bean sprout, these are thin strips already, so you don't have to do anything. Then pork, let's cut it into small pieces so that you have pork in every bite. Ingredients are ready, so let's make the filling. Heat up frying pan and let's start with pork. I didn't put any vegetable oil because I'm using this non-stick skillet and fat will come out from the pork. But depending on the type of your skillet, you may need a little bit of vegetable oil. The pork is brown, so let's add the vegetables. You may think this is too much vegetable, but it will shrink when it's cooked. It's cooked now and you can see how small it became. Let's add salt and pepper, grated garlic and grated ginger, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. And I'm sorry, I forgot to put this in the ingredients list, but you also need 1 teaspoon instant Chinese soup stock. It's all mixed, so let's turn the heat off. And here, I have 1 tablespoon potato starch and 1 tablespoon water. Let's mix it. And I'm going to pour this all over the skillet with the heat off. Mix. Then turn the heat back on. The potato starch or the corn starch, if you're using corn starch, will keep the seasoning on the vegetable and pork. So when you scrape the frying pan, you don't see any seasoning at the bottom of the frying pan. Turn the heat off and I'm going to take it out on a tray. Let's spread it out. Cover it with a plastic film so that it doesn't dry out. And put it aside and cool it down to room temperature. Now it's been completely cooled down in room temperature, so let's wrap it using this Harumaki wrapper. I took it out from fridge half an hour ago, so it's room temperature. When you're separating Harumaki wrapper, don't try to take one by one. You make it into half first. And then half again. And then one by one. Prepare a mixture of flour and water 1 to 1 as a glue. Let's put this into 2. This makes 5 and this makes 5. I have 1 Harumaki wrapper on a cutting board, diagonal. I'm putting the filling right in the middle and let's bring this bottom up. And I'm pushing in or pushing back to lock the filling. Then fold both sides in. Flip it over. And here I'm putting the glue. Just like this. flip it over. I have 10 harumaki wrapped up, so let's deep fry them. I have some vegetable oil heated up in the frying pan. Let's check the temperature. Small bubbles are coming out from the edge of the chopstick. That means it's good to go. I'm putting these harumaki into the oil with the seam side facing down. This way. Three to 4 minutes on both sides. You can see it's browning around the edge, so let's flip them over. Both sides nicely brown, so let's take them out. All fried to nice golden brown color and it's ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!